Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging for you from Amazon. But before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I want to say hi to all my new subscribers, and I hope everybody's enjoying the videos, and please consider subscribing if you haven't, and also hit that like button because that does help my channel. And as always, please leave me a comment. I enjoy reading them and I always respond. And also don't forget about my Etsy shop called Just Minder Business. All the info, all the links are going to be in my description box. So, all right, now this canvas came from Amazon. I seen this one night as I couldn't sleep and I was scrolling through, and I seen it and I had to get it because it's one of my husband's favorites. So let's take a look at this. Alright, so it is a round poured glue, and it comes with a regular, well, not so regular toolkit, but a standard toolkit. It has the pink pen with a 3-placer. It has a white boat or white tray with a spout. It has a few baggies. There is another, well, there's a square of wax in there, and then there's another placer, and it's probably going to be a 7 or 9. I'm not sure. Let's look and see. Well, this has got a long piece of wax. And yeah, it's about a 7. It's one of those fat 7-placers. Alright, so this is all you need to do this canvas. So this has got, it's looking like 22 colors, I guess. So they're all going to be, as you can see, there's no DMCs on these bags of drills, but there's the canvas number. And the drills look pretty good. I don't see any static. I never have any issues with this kind of drill anyway. But they're all going to be like browns and just very dark drills. So them 2 bags right there are pretty full. So yeah, very muted colors, which is fine. That's okay. Alright, so what did I get? I got Johnny Cash flipping a bird. And I am sorry for anybody who is sensitive to this. But yeah. So my husband is a very big music person. I tell him all the time he should go on, you know, if he was to go on a game show that was music related, he could probably win. But this is a 30 by 40, and it does have 22 colors, no DMCs. Now, you can see this is not a great canvas. It is not. The rendering is pretty sucky. And I'm hoping that once it's completed, that it will look better. So here's Johnny Cash, and you can see his guitar right here, and then that's his guitar strap, and he is giving a bird, and this is like a real picture. I don't know if any of y'all know who I'm talking about when I say Johnny Cash, or if you are familiar with country music, but this is a real, true picture. Yeah. So I seen it and I knew he would like it. I've already got, if you've been following me, you'll know that I made him in the past for Father's Day and his birthday. John Wayne. I've got him 2 John Waynes, and he loved them. And then I seen this, and I thought, oh my gosh, I have never seen this one before, and I snatched it up, and y'all, I only gave $2.99 for this. So, I will put this in my links, or I'll put the link to this in my description box in case y'all want to go snatch one before they're gone, but it may or may not still be $2.99. I don't know, because I didn't look before I started filming. But this is the thumbnail. The thumbnail looks a lot better. And it is very sticky. And the canvas itself is really clear. I mean, it really is. It's just really pixelated. But I mean, looking through my camera, I mean, it does look pretty clear through the camera. But with the naked eye, you know what this looks like? It don't look like a bird, but it, I just hope it turns out. But yeah. So, anyway, I just wanted to come on here real quick and show this to y'all. And like I said, I will leave the link to this in my description box. And y'all go check it out. So, alright y'all. I guess until my next video, I hope everyone's doing well. And I will see y'all later. Bye y'all.